Sige, kaway-kaway lang. Wow.
Wala ko kaya sa mga engineering.
Our provincial population division heads, welcome to Sorongon.
And go, kaway-kaway. Kaway-kaway.
Please don't leave seats vacant. We have Mrs. Shah Palmares, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am, and welcome to the program.
Lahat na lang kayo, OIC. Oo, kanina pa yan.
Your music really to be very
Of Cabatuan, Municipality of Haniwan, Municipality.
Welcome to our Salamat Senior Memorial National High School.
Already! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Taas na wala. 5, 6, 8, bagyan ay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 1.
Naguntat sila kay Boss Lon mo ko na, Wen.
Dance round, Mayor. Dance round.
Technology, the arrival of our provincial governor, province of Iloilo, Honorable Arthur R. Defensor Jr. Sir, good afternoon and welcome to Alberto Sorongon Senior Memorial National High School. A hand please.
The Mayor of the Municipality of Bataan, Honorable Rafael Enrique Lazaro. We would like also to request Dr. Conquista to be here on stage together with Dr. Pinal Sir and Sir Andre Selle. Sir, please proceed now. You can have seats, no? We have seats provided for you upstage. We would like also to acknowledge the presence of Rank Captain of Fundacion. Sir, good afternoon and welcome. And likewise, we'd like to announce catchment that is here, no? So welcome to Alberto Sorongon Senior Memorial National. The principals to come up on stage, so we have seats provided for you on stage. Move forward, move forward.
Parents, guests, friends, benefactors, stakeholders, and students. Today, we are delighted that we are gathered here to celebrate this momentous occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the inauguration ceremony and unveiling of marker of the IWAG Teen Center version 2.0, illuminating the way for the adolescent group.
To formally start our program, may I invite everyone to please rise for the doxology.
To our esteemed guest, Honorable Arthur Defensor Jr., Governor Province of Iloilo, F. Diboki, Mayor, Municipality of Manila, Honorable Jason R. Gonzalez, Board Member, represented by Honorable Mark Palabrica, Mayor, Municipality.
Kung madumduman ninyo last year, Pebrero man sadto sa nagkadto kita diri agud i-groundbreaking ang inyo teen center. After a year, Pebrero man nagbalik kita diri agud i-groundbreaking na kag i-unveil na naton ang iyang marker. Today, we celebrate not just the completion of our teen center, but the realization of a shared vision. Butang na maghahatag duag at kasanag para sa wasdamlag sa aton kabataan. Gani, palakpakanta ang mga tao sa likod sini. Agong patigayon na mariyasar, mga tukod ang proyekto naton na Twin Center. Una sa tanan, sa aton maalam, maukod kag multi-awarded na Governor Toto Defensor. Ang proven and tested sa panghimanwa kag champion on education, ang aton board member Jason Gonzalez. Ang amay sang banwa, ang inyo mapisan kag mabuot nga Mayor Adi Lazaro. Ang mga supportive ng miyembro ng Sangguniang Bayan, we have here SB Kirk Pedrajas, SBJR Pasuelo, and SK Federation President Verna Pastulero, ma'am. Kaupod man naton subong hapon ang partner in good governance ni Governor Toto Defensor, ang multi-awarded mayor man sang Banwa sang Anilaw, si Mayor Dian Dibuque. Our barangay captains and officials of the catchment barangays, I believe, Iwa Makatol, Iwa Ilaya, and Iwa Ilawod. Mga barangay kapitanes naton. Our lot donor, Ma'am Marieta Soromon, ma'am. Our Department of Education family, headed by Dr. Nelson Tingil, our Chief Supervisor of Curriculum, as well as our Public Schools District Supervisor, si Dr. Evelyn Repantista. The school heads and principals of Putotan District, the faculty and staff of Alberto Sorongon Senior Memorial National High School, headed by your new principal, Dr. Arlene Galiega, and your former principal, Ma'am Grace Coronado. Our PTA, alumni officers, parents, the extension arms sa atong opisina, ang mga mapisan nga barangay service point officers ng mga nakabdo natin sa bukapon. My ever hardworking and supportive Provincial Population Office family, learners, mga kasubong ko mas lugoon sa gobyerno, ladies and gentlemen, the Teen Center version 2.0 is a level-up version of the existing flagship project of the Iloilo Provincial Government under the Adolescent Health and Youth Development Program of the province, implemented through our office, the Provincial Population Office. This innovation to the existing facility is anchored to the development mantra of Governor Toto Defensor, known as More Progress Iloilo, a movement for a robust, progressive, globally competitive, and resilient province of Iloilo. The upgraded version of the Teen Center involves the construction of a single-story building patterned and inspired by the artistic design of the old historical Gabaldon buildings, complete with all the necessary equipment, materials, and facilities dedicated to provide a venue for the development and empowerment of our adolescents and youth. Hindi lamang infrastruktura, pasilidad kag equipment ang aton gina-provide kiya. Our teen centers serve as sanctuaries for young people, offering them access to peer support, counseling, and programs that promote leadership, health awareness, and personal growth. Through these centers, we aim to address the critical issues such as mental health, adolescent reproductive health, and life skills education, ensuring that our youth are equipped with knowledge and resilience to navigate the challenges of their formative years. This Youth Development Initiative sa aton Iloilo Provincial Government under the leadership of our good governor aims to create an enabling environment for you, our young people, for your social, ethical, physical, emotional, and cognitive competencies. Kagiya man magasentro ang programa ni Governor Defensor nga ginatawag Best Province Program. Kung bulig eskwela sa probinsya programa, which include among others our career guidance and counseling, which is designed to guide sa aton mga estudyante sa pagpili sang kurso base sa kinahanglanon sa aton pungsod or our country's labor requirement. Second, our voter education program, which aims to develop a citizenry capacitated to participate effectively, meaningfully, and intelligently in the electoral process of our country. Ikatlo, our anti-illegal drug abuse program that aims to eliminate the use and proliferation of illegal drugs. Our PRIME program, isa man diri ka programa nga naangot naton sa aton teen center, a program to support the mental health and promote the psychosocial well-being of Ilonggos, especially our youth. Kag may bago kita nga programa nga igadugang sa aton teen center. Kahapon lang gidamang gipresenta naton sa aton gobernador ang Alalay program, pag-ubay legal sa kabataan. This is in collaboration with the College of Law of Central Philippine University and the Department of Education, in which we will provide legal assistance and supplement legal aid services and lectures, seminars on relevant laws, such as but not limited to gender-based laws, sexuality education, voters education, laws on vandalism, anti-hazing law, laws on bullying, and cybercrime prevention, among others. Ining mga programa kag Teen Center Project naton subong are among the living testaments kung ano kamo ka-importante sa aton gobernador. Kay man of more than 180 secondary schools all over the province, ginuna gid kamo kag prioridad ni Governor Defensor na patindugan sing Teen Center. Isa kamo sa napulo ka pilot municipalities nanging recipients sining Teen Center project naton. Natapos na naton inaugurar ang mga teen centers sa nagliligad nga simana sa Banwa sang Balasan, sa Banwa sang San Dionisio, kag ikatatlo kamo sa masunod nga simana nagahulat ang Banwa sang San Enrique nga natapos sa Manila Teen Center kag sa Banwa sang Dueñas. May anong pagigpita nga ongoing nga gina-construct subong kag may napulo pagid nga ginaprobar si Governor Defensor para sa inyong mga kabataan. Dugang pagid kagahapon gid lang anong pagid ka Banwa ang iya ginrelisan agud padugang nga tindog sang Teen Center sa anuman ka Banwa. Tinuo sa aton gobernador, ubuson niya ang pundo sa pagpatindog sa mga teen centers kag classrooms sa pagtukod sa ning mga proyekto sa bilog nga probinsya sa Iloilo na sa idalom sang aton Provincial School Board Fund. Kay man, giya lamang ninyo makita sa probinsya sa Iloilo ang pinakamadamo nga teen centers sa bilog na Pilipinas. As of now, we have already 102 teen centers. Wala pa ini madugang isip ang bago naton na patindog ga-establisar nga napunduhan na naton. Pamatuod ba nini sang ginabandera naton sa probinsya sa Iloilo sa idalom ni Governor Defensor nga mayara kita pagdumalahan nasandig sa standard of good governance. direkta nga proyekto sa kabarangayan, sa kabanwahanan, kag sa inyo mga bulutuan. With good governance as our standard, hindi makatilingala nga ang probinsya sa Iloilo sa idalom ni Governor Defensor naging 7 times winner sang Seal of Good Governance Award. Kaparehawan sang bisita naton subong nga hapon, ang partner in good governance ni Governor Defensor, si Mayor Lian Dibuque, ang iyaban wa 6 times winner sang SGLG Award. Kag nahibalaan naton ang inyo banwa sa idalom ni Mayor Adi Lazaro, nag-umpisa na nga nakapasar kamo sa SGLG Award sang nagbigad nga tuig. With this in-center and other youth development projects and programs, gapati ako nga tayuyon pagit ang kadalagan sang inyo banwa sining mga paindis-indis katulad sang SGLG, sang DILG. The Teen Center 2.0 is not just a building. It is a beacon of hope, an investment in dreams, and a home for our youth to flourish. This is our investment in youth and an investment for their future. It is a contribution and a symbol of commitment, a commitment of the Iloilo Provincial Government under the leadership of Governor Toto Defensor, with the full support of your municipality, under the leadership of Mayor Ade and his Sangguniang Bayan members, in rearing and in guiding our youth towards the right path, and in making them responsible citizens of our country, and eventually our partners in the development and welfare, as well as our partners in nation building towards more progress in Iloilo. Madamong na salamat at maayong hapon sa inyong tanan.
Antes pa kitang mag-groundbreaking, nagbisita ako din sa Grand Alumni Homecoming in we started working. Kaya hindi natin mabalikan, kaya nga natuloy, i-track down natin, may taga-engineering kita, from our engineering department. But, sino ba, vitalist ng engineering or education, usually, sinong education natin, ay kita education out department dire. Wala kita because the last time we checked, may budget kita, may program of work na kita. I-correct niya. Hindi kami ka-transfer sa pundo kasi sino dapat na implementers ni Ma'am Arlene, municipality ang implementer naton. Pero pwede ka makikita, ang pundo sini dapat i-transfer naton sa implementer naton. Mayor, I will transfer to you. Kaya pwede sini ang National High School. No? Kung implement ha? Hindi ka mo. Hindi kaya if you can implement, pwede kita. No? We are constructing for typhoon resilient classrooms in the Artibil National High School in Sara. National High School natin ang nag-ubra. And it's good. And it's very good. If you can, pwede naman sa inyo. Pwede. We are willing to transfer. Kung hindi, Mayor are willing to transfer naman because the check is, nauna pa ng check sa teen center natin. Ang matutuwa sila, ang check sila, nauna pa na sa teen center natin. Dapat, we need a taker. Sa Mayor, we can download to you in March. Dapat matapos tanani. But yung budget for this, hindi ko ganun sa inyo, may check yun na hindi. Except that we need to have You know, there's a lot of work in the province ng atong infrastructure program. Hindi man namon madali-dali ang the load of our engineering department, and that's why we transfer to you sa aton man sa mga barangays natin. You be ready to accept the project. Hindi ito anan na classroom nga gininugurahan. LGU ang nag-implement. And they're doing a good job. No, barangay. We have a typhoon resilient classroom in Payao, in Papilla, where we are about to inaugurate. Also in San National High School in San Miguel, barangay ang implementer naman. So you should ready the mayor. Let's collaborate and capacitate the barangays. If you need technical help, kung nga nung technical help, magababulig kami. Procurement. Just be ready to accept. But of course, si Mayor, for this, dapat before March or next week kung pwede, we transfer the funds. Ako na, Gemma, the National High School, implementer ang Putotan National Comprehensive High School. Pwede kami, if kasi nyo kami. Ang kay Big ang umana, utang ito ka classroom. Mayor, kung if you can, we will download to Big ang central na. Hindi ka mag-isa, hindi man makapush sa mag-liquidate because it's our ongoing project. We will see what we can do so that we can hurdle ang mga obstacles natin sa implementation natin. Again, kami, obra kami, but the load, kadamo. Hindi lang classroom ang ginaobra namin. May tight-time, may dalan, may barangay, or may kunano. That's why we transfer to. Katagayan tanan namon nga classroom nga ginainobrahan. Barangay ang nag-obra o kung ang Banwa. Yesterday, we inaugurated 3 classrooms. Sa Saraga ang nag-implement, sa Bangkal Elementary School, and maayo ang atong nga classroom. So, ako na yung muna natong mayor so that we are faster. Hindi kita magbalik kung di natin Pero tapos na itong teen center, no? Tapos na, no? You see, nauna pang check-in ang gym ngayon sa teen center. Anyway, we will finish this. And we will have to do more. At ang buman, mo sila ato education officer, we have to do more also in Putotan. Kapin pa ang mga classrooms sa ato ng mga administrators. We want to be aggressive. We have the funds, but you help us with our absorptive capacity. Extend gani ang mga papilis lang, paper documentation that it takes to transfer. Just to transfer, not to construct, madugay na mag-isa. So, you be ready because right now we are setting up to transfer the water systems sa ating special education fund. Bigyan mo kami para maka-deliver. So, it is the story of our cover gym. The good news is we have a new team center, and congratulations and salamat kay Marlene, kay Dr. Vista, kay Andre, ang ating mga district supervisors, and the whole DepEd family, and to Dr. Tingel, ang taga Mina natin kaupo sa Department of Education. Thank you very much for attending to the project, and also kay Mayor Adi and our Saguyang Bayan, si Vice Trompen, and our councilors, si Lamperna, we have JR and Kirk, mga councilors also, no? Kirk, sino pa may mga councilors? So tatlo lang kita, no? Thank you very much. And you prepare, again, we need the help in the implementation of our project, especially schools, especially ang mga eskwelahan. 3 years is very fast. we don't seek help from the LGUs and the school. Malipas ang isa ka tuig, hindi ko manutaran, why kita ka-implement because of the load of work sa damo ng gina-attindir natin. So that is what we will. Again, but more than congratulations, salamat mo sa inyong tanan. Salamat ay ginatindi rin yung atong project. Kag sa atong nga mga kabataan, you take care of your teen center. We constructed that for you. We want that to be the extension of your home outside your home. So naman nga dira makuli ang tanan nga mga programa naton para sa inyo. We are not only concerned about your education within the four corners of the class. We are also interested in your psychosocial well-being, in your social life. Because for your total development, we need those programs that we will put inside the career guidance and counseling our teen center. Damo kita sa gusto ibutang dira. Number one, aside from mga aton nga mga youth programs that we are already implementing now. Because when I was your congressman, kita ang author of Republic Act 11206, the Career Guidance and Counseling Act. We wrote that law, kita ang nagsulat siya. And that is your contribution through your congressman to the educational system of the whole country and our legislation of the whole country also. That is a very unique approach, and it will find a home in your teen center. Sa aton nga mga maestra, we are about to implement that. Maybe in July, we will already train our teachers because ang module ng ating career guidance and counseling program natapos na po. We launched that last December together with Secretary Sani Angara in the Capitol. So we are about done. We want to implement together with a voter education program. We also have a voting education program under the Best Province program of your province. Again, ang module natin tapos na siya, Jem, ha? Sa inyo na siya, sa secondary school na siya. And we will also train our teachers maybe the third quarter of the year. We have a budget for that and we want to implement that. We are the only province in the country who implemented that. So that needs your help. That needs the help of our secondary schools in Ulit, together with Dr. Pial. In that module, we created that together with the Department of Education and the University of the Philippines and the province. Mayo na siyang mga instructional materials na ipangapaglayan na siya ng DepEd, sa University of the Philippines and the province. And that is for you. And that is for you. Again, ang ato natin sa panagiyahan nyo na siya. You should own that. We should own that insert kay inyo with and with that we can say that we are doing everything not only for your academics in your education but for the total development of the youth in our public school system. So that is what we have. So we also have here our partner in good governance, si Mary Ann Dibuque of Anilao. She is a mayor, she is not our SK Federation chairman. Ito daw preparatory ni Verna, they look the same. But Lian is a mayor, Verna is younger. Mas bata ni si Verna, kay Mayor Lian. So, mayor na siya sa nila, hindi rin SK Federation chairman, mayor na Anilao na si Mayor Lian. And I'm showing her around. I'm showing her around because I want her to see how we do it. Because in the future, like your Sanggunian, Bayan, the Sanggunian Planningan will approve the annual investment plan. And we want to spend a lot of money on classrooms. if we are allowed by our machinery and our capacity, we want to spend 600 million. Jason Gonzalez. You help us. You help us and spend 600 million for good classrooms. Hindi na siya kaigo, but we have started producing and constructing very good classrooms for our children. Oh, we need the help ng Sangkunang Panlalawigan also by approving the annual investment plan and the budget. We need the help of the Sangkunang because they must understand that when we present a budget for the classroom, we have to convince them that we can spend the money, that we have the capacity to spend and spend it well. But we are not afraid of our track record because iti obra naman ko inugar lang. Tatlo lang kabagay ang gusto naman ngayon na kapitan kung nagabisita kami sa inyo. Gunting kay may ribbon cutting, pala kay may groundbreaking, kutsara kag tinidor kay Vista. Yan daw si Caproso. Kapalang ba ito mga beneficiary? We have Capros, we have Capbeth, Edwin, and Alma. Oh, hindi na si Phil kita. Usap ka din si Roger. Why? Roger is not here. Mga beneficiary pa rin. Kasi nang malit salamat kita, kay pamilya nilang malit kang inyong nini, kung wain niyo lupa, hindi dyan katindong. Ang pinakadamong amot, sa tanan na itong ginapangabuglayan, especially here, ang mga blood donors na po. Importante sa tanan na may lupa, kita na ginapangabuglayan. May maalwan ng pamilya na mag-donate kang ang lupa para may iskulahan kita. Palakpakan natin ang pamilya natin. Again, to our students, you own the team center, panag-iyahan nyo na inyuran. Muon na ng extension kang balay. But more importantly, we do that because we are very interested in your social life. Because that completes our youth development program para ina sa kaya kung nga maturog ka mo dyan gabi again sa tanan nga nag-puli para nga matigayo na ato ng Teen Center kag sa tanan nga mag-puli sa Dasunjimana nga dapat maka-download kita kang puno kaya hindi ko na rin magbalik hindi kita maka-opera kang gym hindi nasukot pa ako pang elementary school kaysa naman ito kang gym may resolution na pending. No? Ang barangay may mga gym na ha. So una ko itong kay Lumo. Una ha. Kanila Rose. Si Rose, kapangayon dyan ang Teen Center. Hindi ba na? Dyan, anay kamukula pa kita. Sa barangay. Salamat kag mayat hapon na nito na.
Policy Galiagans for the turning over of the key of responsibility.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, smile.
And go! Thank you so much! Governor, Coro Defensor. Okay, you
Province of Iloilo, Colonel Arthur Defensor Tuto Jr. To Board Member Jason Gonzalez, the champion of education. To my colleague, multi-awarded Mayor, Municipality of Vanilao, Honorable Lian Dibuque. Sa mga SB members natin who are here, Honorable J.R. Pasuelo, Honorable Pedrajas, to our SKMF, Berna Pastolero, and I would like also to acknowledge, of course, our school's Chief for Education and Supervisor, Dr. Nestor Paul Pino. To our Provincial Population Officer, the Province of Iloilo, Attorney Roel Von Superior. To our District Supervisors, Ma'am Evelyn and Ma'am Sir Andre. To our school heads, and to our lot donor, Manang Marit. Sa tanan-tanan aton nga mga parents, no? Sa aton students. Mayong hapon sa inyo nga tanan. Sa ligan nga tuwing ng damgo lang kita nga Butangan Teen Center ang Alberto Sorongan Memorial High School, no? And insigida ang aton governor nagpadala sa nga engineer intapos tayo ng lote sa Guao. And today we are inaugurating na sa aton Teen Center. Kag nag-deliver na ganyan kayo sa buong message ang appreciation. So today, we do more than just open a building. We ignite a movement, a promise, and a future for the youth of Patotan. The Iwag Teen Center 2.0 is more than walls and a roof. It is a beacon of hope, a sanctuary of learning, and a launchpad for dreams. Iwag, which means light, stands for illuminating the way for the adolescent group. It represents our unwavering commitment to guiding, empowering, and uplifting our young people. It symbolizes the light that will shine on their potential, their aspirations, and their path toward success. This milestone is proof of what happens when vision, leadership, and dedication come together. Governor Arthur Defensor Jr., the Provincial Population Office, and the Department of Education, your steadfast support has transformed this vision into reality. Because of you, we are not just shaping students, we are shaping future leaders, change makers, and trailblazers. To the administration, faculty, students of Alberto Sorongan Senior Memorial National High School, this center belongs to you. Let it be a place where you find your voice, discover your strength, and dare to dream bigger than ever before. This is where ideas will be born, confidence will grow, and the next generation of Pototanans will rise, stronger, bolder, and ready to lead. As your local government, we believe that our greatest investment is in you, our youth. The Iwag Teen Center 2.0 is just the beginning. The true impact of this space will not be measured by the structure itself, but by the passion, courage, and determination you bring into it. So dream without limits, push beyond boundaries, and let your fire burn brighter than the lights of Iwag. Because you are the future, and your future starts here. Madamo gid nga salamat.
Nagsalang sa ko. Ang bago ka mag-speech, may naga-drums. Ang muna gina-enjoy ko gid. Maayong hapon sa palangga naton nga tatay sa probinsya kan Iloilo, Governor Toto Defensor. Sa mabuot ug mabisan nga amay sa inyong mabanwa, Mayor Adi Lazaro. To our DepEd family that is well represented sa buong hapon by DepEd officials and our school heads and teachers. Palakpakan din natin sa matututudo. Ang aton nga population officer, Attorney Von. Ang aton nga mga SD members, ang manok-amot sa aton nga duta. Ang aton nga mga punong barangays, ang aton nga mga PSPOs. Most of all, sa mga teens, sa mga estudyante nga luyag naton serbisyohan paagi sa aton na teen center. Palakpakan naton sa matututudo. Tatando gid ang akong nabuot sa matahong nga mensahe ni Mayor Ati Sugpunan ko lang by saying nga ang atong nga teen center is more than just 4 walls, as he said. Hambal sang isa ka manok sulat, the house protects the dreamer. Ang atong nga teen center nagaproteher sa manugdamgo sa atong banwa. They are here today, the most important generation, because they are the next generation that will lead ang atong nga banwa. Ang teen center is more than just 4 walls. Paagi sa atong nga teen center, may oportunidad na nagahimo kita sa mga bagong relasyon sa isa kat isa. Kagang kapag-on sa aton nga mga banwa, nagahalin sa kapag-on sa aton nga mga relasyon. Lantawon ninyo ang mga tao nga sa palibot ninyo, ang nagapungko sa tupad ninyo, kapinpagit sa aton nga mga estudyante. These are the people that you will journey with for life. Hambal nila, the friends we make in high school are the friends we make for life. Sa akon nga sitwasyon, kag eksperyensya, this has been true. Ang akon nga mga amigo kag amiga sa high school are still the friends I have with me. Amo nang akon nga ibilin kaninyo nga tanan nga mensahe sa tanan nga mga estudyante nga ari diya, be kind to each other. Maghinirupay kamo kaysa ulihi kamo man ang mabinuligay. Your relationships will make Pototan stronger. And today, ginakatuan kita sa lain-lain ng mga bisita kag opisyal sa probinsya kag distrito to observe ining special day ngayon. Pasalamatan naton ang presensya ni Mayor Lian de Buque na naghalin pa sa Anilaw para magbisita ka naton. So sa liwat, God bless us for this amazing gift of bringing our young people together na regalo sa atong palangga ng gobernador. Maayong hapon kaninyo nga tanan, kagang ako nga ipromisa, kaupod sang bilog nga sangguniang panlalawigan, ang masunod nga tatlo ka tuig, makilala ang administrasyon ni Gov. Toto Defensor as an education administration, and that Governor Toto Defensor is our education governor. Salamat gid kag mayong hapon kaninyo nga tanan.
Lian F. de Buque.
Hello, mayong hapon. Mayagid ka hapon sa tanan, kag bilang representante sa League of the Municipality Philippines Iloilo, ginatamyaw kaya ginapagkakit ang Alberto Sorongot Senior National High School sa graduation sa inyo Teen Sector 2.0. No, gina-congratulate ko gid ang tanan nga naging kabahin sa sining kadalagan. Kaya hindi ini matumat kung wala kita nagaugyon sa liderato sang aton mapiksa, maukod kag mabuot ng Governor Arthur Defensor Jr. Ang muna manami kay ko, kay Biscano ay pa siya ginasukot ang mga school head na tandaan niya na ang iyang mga utang sa eskwelahan sa Pototan. No? Doon hindi na lang kinandlan, mabutik na ang mga school head sa likod. Of course, congratulations kid sa Iloy sa aton eskwelahan, si Dr. Galega, sa aton yung mga manunudlo, sa mga barangay captains, of course, sa aton yung Pototan LGU, headed by Mayor Adi Lazaro, ari man di si SBJR, si SB Kurt, and of course, ang aton SK Federation President, Verna. No? Doon nagsala, gali ako nga nagtupad ako kay Verna. No? Kaya doon hindi ako masalaan na mayor sa Banwa kang Anilaw. Pero sa palakpak ang mga estudyante, sa mga yuhong ka mga BSPO, kagkilang sorpresa sa hapon, doon hindi ko naghanip magpakilala. Madamo gid nga salamat sa inyong init. Also, yung luyang kuman kamyawon kag pasalamatan ang aton ng mga donors. No? Importante gid ang donors kay sa akon paglibot sa probinsya kaupod kay Gov. Toto. Pinasahi makakita kita sa mga bulawanon ang tagupusoon nga nagdodonat sa eskwelahan kag sa aton kabaranggayan. Gani aton magpasalamatan si Mama Ret kag si Sir Ninik sa ilang mga kalwa. We also have here our representatives from the DepEd family, represented by Sir Nenito Paul, Pingil, Alidire. And of course, ang ako ng mga upod firme sa tanan ng groundbreaking, ang Iloilo Provincial Population Office headed by Attorney Ruel Merio, kaya isang aton din yung mga upod sa Iloilo Provincial Government. Go, kanina, nag-groundbreaking ako sa Pag-Ukma Fire Station sa Banwakang Anila, Board Member Jason. No? So, damo na nga-groundbreaking nakaupod ko kay Go Tuto. Do ako na lang nag-direct, kasi memorize ko na tanan yung steps sa groundbreaking. Amal sa mga SB ko, grabe person, in Mary ano. But nevertheless, I enjoy. I enjoy going around and seeing the good work that the Iloilo Provincial Government has done. And makita nga ang paghatag importansya sa edukasyon, kag ang paghatag kahipinan sa aton mga kabataan, agud magpakita sa kilay kasarang kinaagman, makita hindi lang sa 3rd District, kundi sa tanan ng distrito sa probinsya Caloocan. Gani sa aton mga kabataan, pag-impuslan nyo ang teen center na ginhatag sa inyo sa buong hapon, ang mga classrooms, kalang sakripisyo, ginikanan, kahit sa inyo nga mga manunudlo, suporta sa mga BSPO, suporta namon ng mga public servants. Because all of this infrastructure and all the soft programs are all aligned or geared towards the development of our youth. Balat ang nag-mayor ako sa Banwasang Anilaw at the age of 22 years old. Waay gid ako sa experience. Waay ako nakaagi pares kay Berna ng SK, waay ako nakaagi kay SB Kirk nga nag-SB, or kay Vice Mayor Tompen nga nag-Vice Mayor. No? Ayan na, waay ako nagkanta, nagdugang ang mula. So, I hope ang aton yung kabataan diri sa Cototan mahatagan sang skills kay ako nagapati nga kung manami ang pundasyon sa eskwelahan, manami ang pundasyon palangga sa aton panimalay, matayog ang malagod sang pamatanon sang banwa sang Cototan. Nagasalig ako nga magaiwag ang inyong kasarang kapisan kag kinaadman para sa masanag nga wasdablag sang aton kabataan kag sang banwa sang Cototan. Congratulations and thank you all.
Our governor, our honorable mayor, board member, all the DepEd family. Blessed afternoon to the students and to the barangay officials. As I represent our schools division superintendent, Dr. Ernesto F. Servillion Jr., MNSA, I would like to say today is a day of inspiration. Allow me to just get two letters, the I and the A in the EWAG. So I is the day of inspiration, and also the A is the aspiration of the students. I was once a teen center coordinator in Mina, and so today we are inspired because, dear learners, it's the whole community working for you, and we'd like to realize all your aspirations in life. And this is the beauty of why we are gathered here today to celebrate the EWAG Teen Center, and this is for you as what the governor mentioned. This is for you. And foremost, I would like also to note how behaved the students are, and I would like to congratulate the teachers and the school head. I have been observing since when I arrived, and despite the temperature, the humid environment, they are behaved. Thank you very much to your teachers, to the school leaders, sir, to our PSDS and PSDSS. This should be our commitment. We have been provided by the local government with all these infrastructures. All we have to do is to commit that no learner should be left behind in terms of all the benefits that they deserve. Quality education, quality teaching is our mandate. So we, dear teachers, let's teach the learners so well so that all the rest of the great leaders will be coming here because of this facility. The Teen Center is an area, a place for them to plan for activities, to work together, to cry there, to laugh there, and to talk about issues about learners and about them, and to empower one another. Governor, thank you so much for this gift, and to all the education leaders here and to all the members of the community, Thank you for inspiring the Department of Education to move forward as we work on more progress in Iloilo. And in the division of Iloilo, we always shout, Pangibabaw, Iloilo. Good afternoon, everyone.
Welcome to the consideration. Thank you, Lord, for your goodness and blessings to all of us present in this remarkable event. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we will be witnessing the ribbon cutting. Lazaro. And of course, our officer in charge, Dr. Arlene C. Gallega, and our guests. Requesting also the different personnel and the barangay local government units or our pulong barangays in the different catchment areas. Also, our beloved love donor, our Sangguniang Bayan members. Okay, so we have here our love donor, our SP members, our SP Federation President, our district supervisors in the secondary schools and the elementary schools.
One. Sino may isip? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Next, join with us in the photo ops. Deputy personnel. One, 2, 3. Yes, thank you so much. March marks the opening of our Iwag Teen Center. For the pictorial, and then to join the faculty members. Okay, ready? Okay, ready? Anay, mga guests na to, mga VIPs na to. Ito pati family. Hello, teachers. Okay.
Dila ka sa tupad Sanji. Sa tupad Sanji. Na.
Okay, ready? One.
Ready. 1, 2.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Mga pinilangga na mo yung mga guests, salamat din na madamo. Sa amon ng mga sponsors, thank you so much. Ma'am RB, please calling the attention